Today I am playing a game called Spore. The main idea is that you can create your own creature colony that has either a diet of herbivore or carnivore. You can name your planet, colony, and your species. I'm going to name my planet Shakuris. If you ask me, I think this intro right here is pretty cool. You can see the asteroid falling in towards Shakuris, and it bursting into millions of tiny meteorites. Into the ocean we go. Something might break out of here. There it is. That little thing is our creature. I'm controlling it currently, and those little red chunks of what look like meat, that is meat. And I just tried to attack that thing with a spike on it, and I hit the spike, so it damaged me. Then this big thing is about to eat that littler thing, and then it drops a spike token, which I will swim over to collect. Now I can get spikes if I have enough DNA. Then I'm currently attacking one of those. I think the chase did not go that well, though. And then those bigger things are a lot tougher to kill now. So they're, well, bigger. And then I'm currently choosing what I want my cell to look like. I'm going to name it a redling. The description is going to be a common fauna local to the planet of Shakuris. Then I am going to move the stalk eyes back more, because why not? Looks aren't the first priority of Spore, but they're more priority than nothing. Then I think it's generally a good idea to put the spikes in the front, near the mouth, because then if something tries to attack you, you can just swivel it around and they'll probably hit the spike. And they're also good for attacking. They're also good for attacking because when you run into something, if you run into its jaw, the spike might hit it. And then I just killed that thing and ate its meat. No remain. Ha! And those things are so little at this point that I can just sculpt them in one bite. Then that thing I also ate. Now those things are so tiny that can barely do anything to me. And now I am attacking that big thing. And somehow I managed to kill it. I don't know how, and at some point I got stuck inside it for a little bit. And I can't eat any of it though, because it's too big. I don't know what it's with though, because I should be able to. So I would advance to the next few stages, but well, oh well. And then I can't believe things travel in a herd like that. Like I've never actually seen this before. I have played this game before. This is not my first time doing it. So if it seems like I know stuff, don't wonder why. This is not how the average first time playing Spore goes. And then those little green things I can't eat right now, but later I'll get an omnivore mouth along with my jaw, which is a carnivore mouth, so that I can also eat the green plant things. There's also an wait, did I say omnivore? I meant herbivore. But there is also another omnivore mouth called the proboscis, and that allows you to eat plants and meat. And then they're pretty useful, and they're 5 DNA less expensive than a filter mouth and the jaw. But I prefer having a filter mouth and a jaw because because a proboscis, the omnivore mouth, it eats things a lot. It eats and attacks a lot slower. I'm deciding whether to add this. So I'm adding a second pair of spikes currently, because spikes, it might be the most essential part in the game, to be honest, or at least in the cell stage. And then there's a little file glitch, it looks like, because if you look at it closely, it kind of looks like what would be the textures of the redling cell. And then you can see that I killed that thing, because I'm now big enough to kill it. And ate even more meat. And right there, that's Sporepedia. I accidentally hit the B key, so then open that up. And then, as you can see, that green thing was trying to attack the black thing, but then it was not successful. I believe it is not successful to kill it because the spikes killed the green thing. Then I just got the cilia, so I'm putting those in the back. Then I'm about to move the eyes into the spikes, and if you look at it from a certain angle, it looks like they have angry eyebrows. Now, they didn't stay there though, I decided against having eyes right there. So instead, I replaced them with beady eyes, that in my opinion look a lot better. Then with my new filter mouth, which is what the the filter mouth is what the herbivore mouth looks like in the cell stage. So now I can eat those green plant things. I killed that for its meat because those things are so fast because they have 4 jets on them, and then each jet gives you 2 speed, so that is 8 speed. So it's ridiculously fast. Like unless they're stuck like eating something, there's no point in trying to kill one unless you've got 5 jets. Then there's a point, or like maybe 4 jets and 1 cilia or something, but otherwise, no point at all. I attacked that blue thing and eats its remains. No remains. And then that thing was so big, but still ran away from me for some reason. Maybe it's seen when I did the other things. And I'm not sure if that was the same one or a different one. And then there's another blue thing. Bye. And then brain. Poof. Then I don't know why I still kept eating stuff. Because, like, what's the point? Because you can't actually get any more DNA after you're able to evolve legs and go to land. You will see that I will be designing my creature shortly to walk on land, because the 5 stages, the cell stage, which is this one, then the creature stage, the tribal stage, the civilization stage, and the space stage. The space stage is the longest because it's endless, or at least that I know of. And then one of the things that's cool about Spore is that each stage is like a whole different game, but with the same aspects. Survive and grow. And I am now into the 3D creature creator. Notice it's not the cell creator anymore. I tried to make it kind of like a scorpion, and I think it turned out pretty well. I don't know why I'm obsessed with scorpions. And then I put the spikes right in front of there to make them look like horns. And then I don't get a lot. Like, I only can buy legs and, like, rearrange how my creature looks like. Otherwise, I can't do anything in this, like evolving on land creature creator. The point is, I think Spore is a great game for anyone who wants to play it. And it would be awesome if you could like and subscribe and watch more of our videos. Close to complete. And there. Oh wait, why is it glitching again? Well, creature is swimming up to the surface in the loading screen. Our creature is now swimming out of the water, calling, and running on the land. There we go. And that will be the end of this video.